In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video on a Nothing Phone 4a. So if we go to the camera and switch to the video mode, then in here we should be able to start recording. I'm gonna start with 4K 30 frames per second. So in here we can zoom in using 3.5x, which I don't think it switches the lens. So in this case, it is not possible to switch that, although it's switched now. So here we can see that the camera loads up to switch the lens. So if I start recording using 3.5x, as you can see, I cannot zoom out. So yeah, so it seems that it is not possible, at least in 4K, but let's give it a try. Let's give 1080p a try as well. So here we should be able to zoom out once I start recording using 1x in order to use the ultra-wide angle camera. And yes, it does, and you can easily see that little switch between 0.9x and 1. You can clearly see the jump, which indicates that the camera switches the lens. Also here, if we use something between 3.4 and 3.5x, there we go, we can also switch the lens as well. We can see that the jump again. I'm gonna also switch to 60 frames per second, but in this case it is exactly the same as in the case of 4K, so we cannot zoom out if I start recording using 3.5x, and if I use 1x, I can zoom into 3.5, but there is no switch. So to answer the question, yes, it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video, but only if you use 1080p 30 frames per second. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.